Paslode impulse gas nailer won't fire. Tried fresh battery and gas. Did the cleaning as per Paslode guide. Fan runs. Green light is on, but won't fire at all. Can I test what is wrong?
Hello and welcome to Just Answers. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your question. I see no one answer this yet. Did you fix this popy yet?
I tried the regular cleaning with no positive results. It's not working yet.
Check and see if this make any difference. Is the tool new? Did the tool ever work? If it did work, did you check the piston to see if it's retracted all way back? Is the nail chamber got a new nail magazine and no old nails in the chamber?
It's a late model but has been well used by a construction company before me. It worked perfect a month or two ago when I put it into its case, and now it won't do anything.
I found this for you to see if anything there to help you troubleshoot at http://www.paslode.com/tech support/troubleshooting/.
I have checked all of the stuff on the link you sent. I'm assuming there is something wrong with spark. Is there a test procedure to test if trigger/wires/spark plug is bad?
No test that I know. What happens when you pull the trigger? Is there a sound or something? Is the trigger loose or engaged?
Trigger feels normal. Fan runs. Green light is on. Pull the trigger and nothing happens.
I have some more links for you to check, but first check for me and see if the safety plunger in the nose of the gun it didn't retract or is where it's supposed to be.
The thing that pushes in when you push it against the wood. That seems to work smoothly.
Okay, then try this links and see if anything pops out. I am running out of options here. http://www.doityourself.com/forum/paneling trim/492026 Paslode cordless finish nailer.html http://www.contractortalk.com/f40/paslode cordless will not fire 56240/http://www.fixia.com/support/t1980547 paslode_nail_gun_will_not_fire.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.